IELTS Speaking Part 3. Topic: Food. How has food culture changed in your country over the years?
Food culture in my country has changed a lot, mainly due to globalization and busy lifestyles. Earlier, people mostly ate traditional home-cooked meals, but now, fast food and international cuisines are becoming more popular. Many young people prefer eating out or ordering food online instead of cooking. However, there is also a growing awareness of healthy eating, so organic and homemade food trends are coming back. Overall, there is now a balance between traditional and modern food habits.
Do you think traditional food will disappear in the future?
I don't think traditional food will completely disappear, but it might become less common. Many people still love homemade dishes, and families try to keep their cultural recipes alive. However, fast food and international cuisines are becoming more dominant, especially among younger generations. The good thing is that many restaurants are now promoting traditional dishes in creative ways, which helps keep them relevant. So, while habits might change, traditional food will likely survive in some form.
Why do people like eating out at restaurants?
People enjoy eating out for many reasons. Firstly, it saves time and effort, especially for those with busy schedules. Secondly, restaurants offer a variety of dishes that people might not be able to cook at home. Also, dining out is a social activity. People meet friends, celebrate special occasions, and try new cuisines. Lastly, the ambience and presentation at restaurants can make food more enjoyable than eating at home.
Is fast food popular in your country? Why or why not?
Yes, fast food is very popular, especially among young people and office workers. It is quick, convenient, and often affordable, making it a good option for people with busy lifestyles. Many international fast food chains have opened in my country, and local brands also offer their own versions of fast food. However, people are also becoming more health conscious, so some are trying to reduce their fast food intake. Still, it remains a big part of urban food culture.
Should governments regulate what people eat?
I think governments can encourage healthy eating, but they shouldn't control what people eat completely. They can do things like putting taxes on unhealthy food, promoting healthy options, and educating people about nutrition. However, people should have the freedom to choose what they eat. The key is to create awareness rather than forcing people to follow strict food rules.
How important is a healthy diet?
A healthy diet is extremely important because it affects both physical and mental well-being. Eating nutritious food gives us energy, improves our immune system, and helps prevent diseases like obesity and diabetes. It also affects our mood. People who eat well generally feel better and more active. However, it's okay to enjoy junk food occasionally, as long as there is a good balance.
What are some common eating habits in your country?
In my country, people usually eat 3 main meals a day, with lunch being the heaviest. Many families prefer home-cooked meals, especially traditional dishes made with rice, vegetables, and spices. Snacks are also a big part of our food culture, and people love street food in the evenings. However, eating out and ordering food online have become more common in recent years.
Why do people choose to follow vegetarian or vegan diets?
People choose vegetarian or vegan diets for different reasons. Some do it for health benefits because plant-based diets are often lower in fat and cholesterol. Others avoid meat for ethical reasons, as they don't support animal cruelty. Religious beliefs also influence many people to become vegetarian. Nowadays, environmental concerns are another reason, as meat production has a big impact on climate change.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of home-cooked food?
Home-cooked food is usually healthier because you can control the ingredients and avoid excess oil and additives. It is also more affordable than eating out. Plus, cooking at home brings families together and helps preserve traditional recipes. However, the main disadvantage is that cooking takes time and effort, which can be challenging for busy people. Also, some people may not be very skilled at cooking, so they prefer eating out.
How do food choices change with age?
Food choices change as people grow older because their health and lifestyle needs change. Young people often enjoy fast food and sugary snacks, but as they get older, they become more health conscious. Many adults start eating more vegetables, protein, and home-cooked meals to stay fit. Older people often prefer simple, light meals that are easy to digest. So, as we age, we usually focus more on nutrition than just taste. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.